How's it going, everyone? Welcome to My Future Success. You guys, let's take a look and just recap today's trading. There was 9 winning signals, 1 signal that didn't end up panning out. So an incredible win to loss ratio. Guys, starting off here at market open, these are the exact signals that you're going to have on your charts immediately. Let's dive in here and let's just look at each one of these in depth and actually say, okay, if $1,000 was the minimum that you could have been making on these charts with 2 contracts, could you have made actually even more? And I'm going to show you how to actually almost double that amount here. This is on the 1 minute time frame where I say, if you're on the 1 minute time frame, go for 5 points, get in, get out, take your profit, and you can be done for the day. But there's a lot of traders, like I just had a one-on-one with a gentleman named Mark, and it's like, what we want to go for is we want to go for those trades that we can kind of stay in longer. And how do we do that? How do we actually capitalize on longer moves? And you can do something as simple as this. These levels are literally telling you levels of support or resistance. So instead of a trader doing this, we could get in right here. You're playing your profit wave. It comes up, it comes down. Can we take out our 5 points? Sure. But you can do something like this where you're playing this down 15 points minimum. And this is now triple the amount that you've actually made on that trade. That is the exact entries that I want you guys to be looking out for. You have another one here. We end up getting a sell signal right about 748. Let's draw this down. This is 15 points right here. Actually, no, excuse me, guys. Actually, this is going to be the buy signal right here at this point. At no point did it actually cross above our profit wave at all with this at candle close. So what you can do is, you don't want to go right to the level of support. Sometimes you'll get a bounce and it'll shoot back up. So just hit it a little bit higher. That's 30 points. So those 2 trades alone could have actually made more money than you ever needed just in a day. That's a $600 trade just going for that 30 points there. This is the one I took this morning myself. I didn't trade the first bit of the market because I like to stay out of that first hour. I ended up getting in here. You guys saw that. That was about $600. It was $559 just with 2 contracts. Did we have a losing trade today? Yeah. If you're using these metrics, nothing's 100%. If you got in at this point here, would you have had to close it out? Yeah, it's an 18-point loss. It's okay because I know that I'm hitting these 30 and 20-point lot gains as well. It took a sell signal here. This ended up coming down, just going below our profit target. That one closed out. Another buy signal, price action consolidated a bit, came back up, never closed below our profit wave, target hit. Entry, target hit, entry, target hit. Look at this, you guys, for a second. Take a look at this. Now, you guys are following this channel. You guys are knowing triple R's and triple G's. What can you do for an example like this? Take a look at how much profit. The worst case scenario, worst case, is you can play this over until that changes over 31 points. What was your risk to reward on this? This is where this becomes astronomically an amazing system. You can literally put your entry right at this line, your stop loss below here. You can trail it and you can just let this run and run and run. So your profit target, this is your risk now. This is your profit target. What is a 1 to 5 risk to reward? Insane. Absolutely insane. So if you're someone who's struggling with holding trades, look at this one here. The first red signal that comes over. This is our entry. Oops, actually, let me go over here, you guys. This is our entry. This is our stop loss. Did it ever come up of our stop? Nope. You can just go for a 1-to-1 risk to reward and you already take it out. Or you can be like some traders now where you just let this run, your profit wave, and you come all the way down until this area of support. How far was this? You're telling me literally by just following this, a 43-point profit right there alone. This is how we're getting people taking out thousands of dollars in the market using these metrics alone and simplifying your trading screens. Guys, if you're new to this, head over to My Future Success. You can grab the link in the description below here, and this will give you instant access to all of these metrics that just over 2,000 people are using right now. Guys, this is lifetime, never any monthly service fees, but this is just a small glimpse of people that are, I'm getting emails almost every day of, I passed my prop firm account, I passed this, I'm getting a payout. Guys, look at the reviews over here. Seriously, I don't want to make anything up, but there's a reason why there is literally almost 87 to 88 out of 91 5-star reviews on here of just incredible stories. People from 18 years old to 91 years old. It doesn't matter what age you are or what level of knowledge you have. Guys, sometimes having too much knowledge in trading can actually hinder your trading method. Sometimes when we go back to just the basics, I'll get on this chart sometimes and say all right, I want to do nothing. I'll literally do this. I'll go to styles and I'll take this off. I'll take off, actually not the candles, but I'll take off buy and sell signals, and I'll be like, okay, let's make this screen super, super easy. I'll even take off support and resistance. You guys look at this. So I will do this and be like, can I follow this screen? Can I follow when this is green to go long, when this is red to go short, when this is long to go green and red to go short? You can literally do that alone. You don't even need this dashboard. I could literally go like that and say, hey, could you trade that? Anyone can trade that. Anyone can. These added metrics here are so important. If you're switching over and you're using these triple R's and this is your first entry, go down here. Is everything red on this? No, not yet. Well, you could technically wait till this one here. So is everything red? Perfect. Entry, shoot down. You come over here. Is everything green or green? Perfect. Green middle band, green money momentum flowing up and everything in line. Entry, play it up. Sell signal. Was this one red at the bottom? We did have a red middle band and it just switched over. Even if you waited to this candle, now it's all red. Red, 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 huge waterfall down. If you are looking to transform your trading metrics and literally a click of a button to have your screen look like this and have access to all of these other metrics, this is something for you. It honestly is, you guys. This is why I've spent the last 3 years developing this. I am looking to add more metrics to this that everyone is going to be getting completely free when I come out with version 5. I'm hoping to have this by the end of the year. But make sure that you are one of the few people that are on this now so you can get that upgrade with it. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this, please let me know how you did personally today in the markets and trading with these metrics to simplify this, to start getting money every single day. You guys, thank you so much. Take care. I'll be all back on tomorrow.